Hello, Brett and Kent. Well, doesn't this look familiar? It's Kick Kick Snare. Um, well, it's at happyhappy.net, but it's Kick Kick Snare. So anyway, this is a new thing I'm doing for my clients during the process of working, and to wrap it up and sort of give them a tour of their site. Right now I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of where we're at with the images as far as sort of the different images for the different areas and how that's going to work. I know you were worried that that was going to be a learning curve. I don't think there's actually much you're going to need to do because I think that I've set it all up to be automagical. So what we have is 3 different areas that need to use a featured image, and the problem is you can only set one featured image, well, 3 different sizes of the featured image. And so the way we're handling that is that I'm pretty sure you know how to set the featured image, but I'm going to go over it really quickly and go to the most recent post. And here we have our Easter post here. Go down here to where the featured post area is, and this is where you add it. Remove featured post, set featured image, remove featured image, set featured image. From the media library, and you find your image, which is this one, and you click on show. And then once you've got your image, you will have already inserted it into the post, so the only thing you want to do here, home featured is the one we're going to choose, and I'll go over that in a bit, but basically you're just going to say use featured image, wait till that slides all the way over there, click on save all changes. You're not inserting it into the post because it's already there. So close that, slide on up here, click on update, and you've got your featured image set. And really the only thing you need to know is that you want to choose the size home featured for that image. And the reason is what we have over here for we have featured for all these, and if you down here to the home page, that's a featured post player. It automatically pulls the right size, the slider size, because we have the slider set to be working, so you don't even have to worry about that. The only thing you do have to worry about when setting it up, which hopefully after it's set up you're not going to have to worry about at all, we do the featured post area. You don't want a title there. You'll be able to use whichever category for this area that you want. Just leave it all categories if you want it just to be your most recent posts. I chose 10, and that's approximating once all of this stuff is set up in here and formatted right. Hopefully it'll be even with this. If it's not, we'll maybe only do 9, and then we'll just have to adjust the max height for these 2 and make this non-scrolling for the inside so that it's fixed. But at any rate, that's why I chose 10 for now. It's being ordered by date, most recent first, and it's showing the featured image, which we are choosing as home featured because 340 by 191 is the size of these images. And I've already set all this that we want to show, and click on save. And now the way that we're automatically able to do that, use the home featured, is because of this plugin that I think Kent is familiar with, and I've used once or twice, most recently on this site. Additional image sizes is a great plugin, because what it does, it doesn't just set the image size for future excuse me, my throat's very dry today. It doesn't just set the post for future images. It can go back and do all of your old media, which is going to be great for, you know, like your archive pages, or, you know, and things like that, because you've got tons of old information here. Okay, let's see. So, oh no, it's under media. Okay, media. and I could have clicked on this one down, but image sizes, media and image sizes. And so the way I did that, if you need to do this in the future, you click on new. I typed home featured. I set the width and the height and said save changes, which is great because then now it gives us this option. But the other thing we needed to do for the posts that were already there is to go down here, click on home featured, and then say generate copies of new sizes. And what that does is go through all of your old images that you have on your site and creates this home featured size and attaches that class to it so that it can pull it up when it is called for, such as on the front page of the site. And the only other thing I had to do, and this just this is something you'll never do, but I'm just showing you what I did to add that to the theme, is going to theme functions, and this is where knowing just a little bit of PHP code helps. Add image size, home featured, 340 by 191, true, that means we're using that size, and clicked on update file. And that's what made that size appear as an option in the widget, because it added that size option to the theme. And that's what put it over here. And so that brings us full circle to how that all works. And hopefully, basically, I'm just breaking in the idea of using these video tours. I think it's a good idea. Let me know if there's anything you've been wanting to learn, or anything you want to know, or anything you would like a video tour of. I'm sure I'll probably be making you a few more of these if this works out well, so just let me know. And I'm going to stop the recorder now, so I'm going to say goodbye, and I'll talk to you later.